Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with SUI, followed by Chainlink, AVAX, Stellar, Leo, Ton, SHIB, HBAR, Bitcoin Cash, and then we'll end it with Polkadot number 20. Let's get straight into it. SUI against USD. Here we are for SUI. So it feels like SUI is in a rally higher. So I feel like the trend has really switched for SUI towards the upside. Yes, we've already crossed the skin incline. I still think that eventually one fine day, SUI is also going to come back down to clear all of these lows down to here potentially as well, right? Because I think that SUI is overvalued. Eventually, one fine day. But now the hype train is moving, so potentially more upside. Something looking like a shooting star. So I suspect that SUI is going to drop a little bit lower, and after that, a potential bullish continuation towards the upside. This is a wave 1, down 2, up for a 3. We're probably going to get a wave 4 and then a wave 5. More likely than not. I think, yeah, more likely than not, we get a wave 4 and a wave 5. So I think a retrace is not too far away for SUI. So yeah, again, how much higher could SUI go? We don't know. But you know, from a trading standpoint, there is a potential wave 5 that we could trade in, out. That's it. So yeah, so that's SUI for you. It'll be great though to always wait for. It's safer to wait for a break of the trend first. So you see lower highs, 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 suddenly, bam! We took all of this out. All of it. But eventually we will retrace a little bit first before heading higher. So we're anticipating that retrace to come. I suspect that the retrace may drop to sub $3. Exactly where? We're gonna have to do a deep dive on that. But I suspect that SUI is there's another wave up for SUI. So this is the trade I'm looking to trade on for SUI. Link against BTC. Here we are for Link. Link is still down against BTC. Trend is still largely bearish. Lower highs, lower highs. No, lower low, lower low, lower low. Yes, it's just bearish for Chainlink. Any signs of trend reversal? Yeah, no. Oh my god, what's happening with Chainlink? I don't know. I feel like Chainlink could be clearing all of these as well. Trend is still largely bearish, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I don't know if you're going to be breaking back up above the skinny incline. We could get an inverse head and shoulders over here. There could be a nice big breakout though, but we would like to have confirmation first. Take out this high, or even take out this high, or even the whole thing as well. And then we wait for the retrace to come on. AVAX against BTC. It's pretty weak. So you're also seeing bearish trend. Lower highs, lower highs. It's just lower highs. The trend is still largely bearish for AVAX against BTC, against USD. AVAX is potentially an inverse head and shoulders. Potentially. I don't really like what I see. I suspect that. AVAX, even if it does rally, will find resistance at the skinny pink line. And then, yeah, probably drop lower to clear these cells. The trend is still largely bearish. This is just a very weak rally. So more downside for AVAX. Stellar Lumens is looking pretty awesome. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Again, we did a very, very strong move up. And we're in a very slow fall down. So the anticipation is for a rally eventually to come on for Stellar Lumens. Whether this is going to be, you know, new all-time highs immediately or not, we're not too sure. But for Stellar Lumens, just a gentle reminder that it's in a very, very big ascending triangle. Very, very big. We like what we see for Stellar Lumens. I think Stellar Lumens is going to go bananas one day. Once we break all of this, right, we'll go into price discovery, and we have 2 targets up to 350. There's actually more, but we'll focus on these 2 first. And yeah, and there's a rally coming on for Stellar Lumens. But is this it? I don't know. Could we still drop a little bit lower? Sure, we could. If we get an inverse head and shoulders over here, this could be a very nice breakout. Ooh, this could be fantastic for Stellar. But as it stands, yeah, we would love to see the change of the bearish trend. The medium time frame trend is still largely bearish. Lower highs, Even if you do get another one, it could be a lower high. We could still be getting lower highs. So just watch out for the break of the channel for Stellar. Leo against USD is also in a bullish trend, clearly above the skinny pink line. We keep closing, above highs, right? We keep just closing up and up and up and up and up, and we're already in price discovery. How much higher are we gonna go? I don't know. There could be another wave up, or we could be dropping here, but there's just nothing much for us to work with. Toncoin is already in a bearish trend. I think Toncoin is potentially dropping lower. I suspect we're in the midst of a wave 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's a 5 coming on. I suspect there's a 5 coming on. Down to potentially $2. We might even sweep all of this, right? Dropping lower. But I'm of the opinion that this is a wave 4 coming down for a wave 5. So I think wave 5 might have already started though. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $2 potentially. We'll watch out for the bearish chart pattern to appear. And then, yeah, more likely than not, more downside. We could still go higher though, but yeah, no, I think that's eventually, more downside for Toncoin. Shiba Inu against USD. Here we are for Shiba Inu. We have a target over here, 965. We're still expecting it to drop to sub 1,000. We're not there yet, but still we're expecting it to drop lower. We're under the skinny pink line, so a trend continuation is expected for Shiba Inu. HBAR against USD is still not looking too good. I suspect that we are forming the next lower high, and then we fall back under the skinny pink line to 0.618. I'm expecting 0.618 to be hit eventually, which will tie in very well to sub 10 cents. A fantastic number. Sub 10 cents. Could we still drop lower? Yeah, sure, of course. But yeah, I think we're gonna be breaking much lower from where we are. 18 cents. Yeah, this could be a 48% decimation as we drop to sub 10 cents. I don't think we're gonna take out these highs though. We good. If we do close above it, then hey, confirmation, more upside. Resistance, nope. I think HBAR is going lower. Bitcoin Cash against BTC is still in a bearish trend. Right, lower highs, boys and girls. It's still not looking too good against USD. Okay, but the chart pattern is here. Right, look at this beautiful big chart pattern over here. A, B, C, D, E. One fine day, if and when the break comes, it's gonna go bananas. Right, we have a target over here, 23,000. Well, again, we'll take things one step at a time. Yeah, we'll wait for the break to eventually come. I think Bitcoin Cash eventually will see a very nice big rally against Bitcoin. You're gonna see it as well. Right, we're gonna start taking out highs after highs after highs after highs. I don't know if you're gonna be going all the way up, but yeah, you'll see, once the trend changes, you'll see highs being taken out. We did take out this high though in this trend, right? We did take out the high. We did retrace and we did see a strong rally, but we failed to make a higher high. It was a lower high. So the downward trend continues. So this is just a representation of the entire thing, right? Medium time frame all taken out, but the high time frame, it's still, yeah, still in a bearish trend. So Bitcoin Cash for you. Dot against BTC. Here we are for Polkadot. Polkadot is still in a downward trend. Lower highs, lower highs. Yeah. We did rally though. We didn't close above it. Let's see. Let me look at the daily first. Look at the daily. Anything for us? Yeah, we didn't close above it. It's just wicks. Boop. We didn't close above it. So the trend is still bearish. Still under the skinny pink line. Right. Double confirmation. That is still bearish for Polkadot against BTC. Against USD, we formed new all-time lows. Not new all-time lows, but we did take out all of the lows here though. Right. Could this be the bottom? Oh boy. I think it's safer to wait for Polkadot to start taking out highs first. So usually, right, if and when the trend changes, you will start seeing, right, see lower highs, right, the trend was bearish, lower highs. How do you know that the trend is changing? Here, take out the highs here. Take out the highs. Take out all of these highs. There's always a chance for retrace. Retrace continues higher. Take out these highs. Take out all these highs. There is a retrace as well. before a rally as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves up. So again, same thing over here. Wait for the highs to be taken out. Wait for the retrace to come in. That's it. You take a nice big banana long or polka dot, even when it happens, right? But as it stands, yeah, no, not yet. Not yet. We could still drop lower, right? To sub $3. The danger is still there. It's still real. So yeah, we're gonna stay safe. All right. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.